At Specialty Gear Drives, we're taking a deep dive into these SIHI Flowserve LPH series liquid ring vacuum pumps. These two-stage units are industrial workhorses, but they often fail due to scale buildup, cavitation, or seal leakage from harsh processing gases. This set came in with significant efficiency loss. We performed a full teardown, inspecting every stage of the eccentric impeller mounting. The fix required replacing the mechanical seals, bearings, and precision shims to restore the tight internal clearances these pumps require. After precision reassembly and testing, these SIHI units are back to pulling a deep vacuum without the high cost of a new replacement. Don't let pump failure stall your production. Visit SpecialtyGearDrives.com to get your critical equipment back online.
Specialty Gear Drives. Certified, reliable, industrial gearbox repair.
Spinning right, Specialty Gear Drives, power that moves and keeps it alive. Spinning right, Specialty Gear Drives, the heart of machines where dreams arise.